Okay, some persons have reached out to me asking that I do a video on how to pay for TikTok ad using the route of buying coin and then converting the money to the ad amount, right? But I told you that this is not the best option. This option will cost you more. But to clear your doubt, I'm going to do it anyway so you see how it affects you at the end of the day, okay? So the other option, which I said is most preferable, is to try to pay for your ad with your card at the point of submitting that ad. I know I've done this video I'm about to do earlier, but at the point I was trying to pay for the ad, I didn't know that my recording was paused, so I couldn't record, I couldn't capture that aspect. So I'm going to do this so you see everything. At the end of buying the coin, we will now convert it to the ad amount and you'll see how much you'll be losing. So let's get into it. So what we'll do first is to use the menu button, the three lines top right. So click on it and then we head over to our balance. And so as you can see here, we don't have anything at all, no coin, no money here, right? So I'll go to get coins. Let me zoom in so you see what I'm talking about. Can you see get coins? So that's where I'll click. I've just clicked on it. So it brings us here and you see different coins here. Normally I'll take my time to find a coin that will give me the best value. For instance, this first one is 125 for 5, which is when you divide it, it should be 25 naira per coin. But this one that is 139 for 3, 5. Let's see. Let me do a little calculation. Pick one. 3,500 divided by 139. Okay, it's even higher. Okay, then you can go for 520, 5,002 for 210, 52 for 210. Now this one is a bit affordable. Okay, so it's less than 25 naira per coin, but the differences are not much. So let's go for 60 at 1.5. I would do 2 as 120 at the end of the day. So I select 60 coin, I put recharge. Now automatically it brings me here. My card is already here and this is Access Bank card, right? So I want to add one more so that it will be 120 coin at the end of the day. So it will be 3,000 here. Can you see? So I proceed to pay. Okay, so you see that I will be able to pay with my card so long as there's money in that account. So I'm paying right away. This card is connected to my Google Play Store. Okay, so let's see what happens. Can you see payment successful, right? So we paid. Remember, we paid for 120 coins. That's for 3,000 naira. So we'll go to convert it now and we'll see what it will give us at the end of the day. So 120 coin. Let me zoom in so you see it very well. 120 coin. You recharge 120 coins. So you've seen it. So let's now get to run ad and see what happens to this amount that we just recharged with. Because we'll convert the coin to ad money, right? So let me pick the video for the ad. Just pinned one, yeah. So I'll go to select the 3 dots down here, then go to increase view. That's the promo icon or promote icon. All right, so we're almost there. So for this ad, I want to do get sales. Okay. Yeah, let me leave this contact I put there. So I will head over to custom and I'll select the age ranges and then save. So let's come to payment. I want it for 1 day. Let's say I'm doing for 2,000 naira. Okay, for 1 day. Now, did you notice that I recharged 3,000 naira, right, for 120 coin? But when we came here, even though I selected 2,000 naira, I'm still not able to run this ad because I still need about 413 naira 88 kobo to make up. So what happens is that, see, coin balance, they converted the 3,000 naira coin to 1,858.32 kobo. You see, so for me this doesn't make sense at all. That's why I said you shouldn't use this option, because let's suppose we make some deductions. Remember 1,858.32 minus 3,000. So they are taking 1,141 naira 68 kobo. So that's not fair at all, because when I want to recharge with my card for the ad directly, the tax applied will be 450 naira. Okay, so what I'll be losing in that case is just 450 naira. But now I'm trying to use coin, buy coin, then convert it to the ad money, and then they are taking almost 1,200 naira. So you see that this is not the best option or route to take when funding your TikTok ad. But let's go ahead. Let's just reduce the amount for now to maybe 1,700 at the end of the day and see whether it will accommodate it. Yeah, let me make it 1.8 because I want to finish the whole money. But this is so painful. Okay, it still could accommodate for 1,800 naira. So let's get the ad running, but I'm pained. I'm really pained, but let's get the ad running. So I'll just hit start. Okay, it's paying for the ad, and once the payment is done, it goes under review, and within a short while, if there are no issues, the ad will be approved. So success, and so the ad is under review. Okay, so that's how to buy coin and pay for your ad. But like I said, this is not the best option. So get to my video on YouTube to find the option of using your Gray virtual card to pay directly for your ad if you are running TikTok ad. Otherwise, you'll be wasting so much money. Okay, by the way, if you're still struggling with TikTok ad, you need to join my TikTok ad mastery class right now. So if you're seeing this video on TikTok, do follow and share for more. If you're seeing it on YouTube, do subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one.